Hey you guys, our tutorial today is all about printing on mesh cup or net cup without using cup press. So, how did I do that? Syempre, gumagamit lang ako ng mug press. So, let's go! Punta na tayo sa ating mug press to do the printing of the mesh cup or net cup using mug press. So again, this is Teacher Nan. Kung bago ka pa lang dito sa aking channel, don't forget to click the subscribe button and the notification bell para updated ka sa mga susunod kong video. This is the mesh cup. So bago mo ito isalang sa iyong mug press or lagyan ng design, make sure to do the pre-press. Ilagay mo yung mug dun sa mesh cup, tapos roll it and then put that sa mug press. So yan. Ito na po yung finished product.